Hello, this is Raphael Thompson once again with 242 Math. Today we'll be looking at constructions, and we'll be constructing some angles and also constructing some triangles for you guys. First of all, we need to go to terms. My daughter Raphaela Thompson will assist us with this. What are some construction terms, Raphaela?
Vertex, arm, compass, protractor, ruler, pencil, arc, and bisect.
What does vertex mean, Raphaela? Do you know? What do you think vertex is? Draw an angle right beside it. Or put the angle in the middle. And that there is the vertex. Okay, so where the two arms meet is the vertex. And show me an arm, one arm in the angle. Any of the lines, that's one arm. Okay, and the next one, show me the next one. That's another arm. And the vertex is where the two arms meet. Okay, show me a compass now. That there is a compass. It has a sticky part on it and the pencil. The compass which you use to construct angles or the triangles with. Okay, show me the protractor. What do you use that for?
To measure angles.
To measure the angles, and it has an inside scale and an outer scale. Ruler, we all know what a ruler is, in inches or in centimeters. And then a pencil, we're going to use to draw. And arc, what's an arc, Raphaela?
An arc is a mark that you can make on the arm.
Draw an arc right beside the arc. What would an arc look like? All right, the arc is just part of the circle, or the circumference of a circle, and they call it an arc. What does bisect mean?
To cut an angle in half.
To cut it in half. Don't do it there. You can't do it properly just like that. Bisect, we just need to know what it means. Bisect means to cut in half. Very good. Okay, Raphaela, read what we are about to do.
Construct an angle of 60 degrees.
Okay, first,
Draw a line.
stop. Follow along if you want to do it. Draw a line
Then
with the
label
ruler.
it.
You don't have to label it, but you could. Just put the points there. Don't label it. All right. Now, take your time because the persons will want to follow and do it as you do it.
Then get your compass and extend it more than halfway on the line.
Okay, she's extending it from one side to the next just to be safe, but you could extend it more than halfway. Okay, next.
Then you draw an arc.
Draw it up some more. Make sure you get it up. Yeah. Okay, stop right there so they can follow. Okay, you've done that. You draw the arc. And what do you do next?
Then do it again.
But put the point on the other side of the line, and now, without changing it, and
Draw and cut that arc.
cut the arc. Okay, let's see it. Hold on. Get a close-up of it. Good. Next.
Then you get your ruler and your pencil and draw a line from where the two arcs intersect to the point.
At the front of the line. Let's check it. Perfect.
And then you get your protractor to measure it to see if it's 60 degrees.
Tell us how you're lining it up. The line to the bottom, we want to check it. And then stop. Let's check it. You put it at the point to the front and make sure it lines up 60 degrees. Perfect, Raphaela. Take it off.
And then name the angle 60 degrees.
And that's where is the angle? What do you call that spot where that angle is?
The vertex.
Vertex. Show me the arm. One arm of the angle. It's that line there, and one arm would be the next one. Very good. And show me the arcs. Show me an arc. That's an arc. Show me the other arc. That's the arc. Okay? The point you need to realize is that you don't change. Once you stretch it out from the front of the line to the back, don't change it, and just draw an arc and then switch the point to the back and cut that arc, and then you're safe to form an angle of 60 degrees. Okay, Raphael, what are we doing next?
Construct an angle of 90 degrees.
Okay, go ahead.
Draw a line. Then label it
And put A and B just to make sure.
point A and point B. Then you get your compass and stretch it more than halfway on the line.
Okay, she's doing it from A to B. That's fine. Make sure the tip is down. Okay. Tell us what you're doing now.
Then you draw an arc at the top and draw an arc at the bottom.
Let's check it. Okay, arc at the top, arc at the bottom. Go ahead.
Then go to point B and do the same without changing it.
Good.
An arc at the top and an arc at the bottom.
Okay, let's check it. Excellent. Next step.
Then get your ruler and your pencil and draw a line from where the top arcs intersect to the middle.
Line it up with the bottom arc. The top arc and the bottom arc are lined up, and she's going to draw a line, but stop right in the middle. Let me check it. Okay, next.
Then you get your protractor to measure it. And it's 90 degrees.
Hold on, let me check it. Okay, Raphael, take it off. Okay, draw the box to show.
Then you draw a little box to show that the angle is 90 degrees.
Perfect. Okay, Raphael, what are we doing next?
Construct an angle of 90 degrees.
And we're using another way to do it. So Raphael will show you that. Go ahead.
Draw a line.
Draw it a little bigger. Go to 7. Okay.
Then label it point A and point B.
Hold on, let me check it. Perfect.
Then get your compass and extend it more than halfway on the line.
Hold it so we can see it. Move it. Got it. They're following, so you gotta do it slow. Okay, next.
Then
Draw the arc to the top. Draw an arc. Just draw an arc at the top. Stop. Let's check it. Right. Now cut the arc. Switch it. Put the point on B. The point was on A. Now you're putting it on B. Cut the arc. Stop. Good. Now stretch it from where the arcs meet.
to point A.
Right. Let's see it. Let's see it. Move it on the side so we can see it. And hold the compass properly. Hold the top. Hold the top of the compass. Put your fingers on the top of the compass. The top. Take it off. Take the compass off. Take the compass off. Give it to me. Hold it like this. That's what I mean. Okay, show them how to hold it. Right. Put it on. Put the point back. And stretch it to A. Make sure. Let me see it's on A. Your hand is in the way. Hand in the way. Hand in the way. Okay. Now, what are you going to do?
Draw a circle.
Go ahead. Spin it straight around. Stop. Okay. She did a circle. You got it. Next, ruler.
Then get your ruler and pencil and draw.
B from B. No, you're doing it at B, straight through where the arcs intersect, and then put it on B. Make sure you have B. B, and then line up where it intersects, and then you put a mark on the line, just a little mark on the circle. Okay, you get that? All you do is you put the ruler on point B and make sure it goes through the intersection, and wherever it meets the circle out there, you put a mark. Then you put your ruler on it, draw a line from A up to that mark. Let's check it. Okay, next.
Then get your protractor to check it.
Okay, put it on. Let me check it now. Hold it. 90 degrees. Perfect, Raphael.
Then make a
the little
little box to show that it's 90 degrees.
90 degrees. That one was perfect, Raphael. Now, what are we doing?
Construct and bisect an angle of 60 degrees.
So we're doing the construction again for practice, and then she will show you how to bisect it. Go ahead.
Draw a line.
Further. Do it big. Try it again. Okay. Put it right on the same line and then try it across. You didn't line it up properly. Put the rule on there. Okay, draw. Go. Okay, good. Label it.
Point A and point B. Then get your compass and extend it from one point to the other. And draw an arc.
Take your time. Okay.
And do the same at point B.
Okay.
Then get your ruler and your pencil and draw a line from where the two arcs intersect to point A.
Try it a bit bigger so it goes, the compass will be able to, the protractor can measure. Perfect. Let me check it. Okay.
Then get your protractor to measure it to see if it's 60 degrees.
Let me check it. Okay. Alright, so it's on the outside scale. Don't look at the 120 on the inside, look on the outside and it's a fix it. And it says 60 degrees. Very good. Next.
Now to bisect it, you need your compass. Place the tip at point A and extend it more than halfway on the line and draw an arc. And draw another one on the other arm.
Okay, so you cut one arm and then you cut the other arm. Okay, next.
Then place the tip of the compass out at one of the arcs and place the pencil at another one.
Let's see that. Got it? Then.
Draw a new arc.
Okay, let's see it. Okay. Without changing it.
Go to the other arm and cut that arc.
Without changing it. Perfect.
Then get your ruler and pencil and draw a line from where the two arcs intersect to point A.
Gotcha.
And get your protractor to see if it's 30 degrees.
Is it 30? Yes, it is. Okay, good. Take it off. Okay, read.
Construct and bisect an angle of 90 degrees.
Go ahead, do the construction first.
Draw a line.
Okay.
Then label it. Point A and point B. Then with your compass, extend it halfway on the line, more than halfway on the line, and draw an arc at the top and at the bottom.
No, you don't have to do top and bottom. Do the one with the circle so they can understand how you do that one.
And do the same with point B. I cut in the arc.
Okay. Next, keep the protractor. You're going to stretch it from where they intersect to 8. You're doing the circle one.
Put the tip of the compass at where the two
Let's see it.
arcs intersect, and put the pencil tip at point 8.
Hold on, let's see it. Okay, go ahead. What are you doing now?
Draw a circle.
Gotcha. Ruler. From
Then
B.
get your pencil and ruler. Then place it from point B through where the two arcs intersect.
And put a mark on the circle, on the circumference of the circle. Gotcha. Let's check it. Okay. Do that again, Rafaela, so we'll understand what you did.
Put the ruler at point B.
And make sure it goes through
where
that
the
point
two
right there,
arcs
that intersection, right? And then put a mark on the circumference of the circle. Gotcha. Next.
Then, with your ruler and pencil, draw a line from where that arc, from where that small mark is to point 8.
Go ahead. Got it. Next. You gotta measure.
Using your protractor. And place it on the angle to see if it's 90 degrees.
Okay. 90 degrees. Right. All right, good. Now do the bisection.
To bisect, you need your compass and put the tip of the compass in the vertex and
No, don't try it. You put a arc on an arm, AB, put a little arc there, okay. And without changing it, you cut the other arm. Say what you're doing.
and then put the point of the compass at one of the
Let me
arcs,
see it when you finish.
and then put the pencil tip at another one of the arcs.
I can't see your hand to the bottom. Okay, good. Stretch it out between those 2 points on the arc, on
Then
the arms. Draw
draw
an
an
arc.
arc.
Without changing it, you have to say that.
Without changing it, cut the arc.
Gotcha. Let me check it. Okay. Next.
Then with your ruler and pencil, draw a line from the vertex to where the two arcs intersect.
Okay. Check it.
Measure it using your protractor to see if it's 45 degrees.
The arm, that line needs to go a little further. Take your ruler and draw that. That's what I keep telling you. Make sure when you draw the line, you draw it so that it can read on the protractor. Okay.
Then place the protractor to see if it's 45 degrees.
It isn't on the line. 90 on the 90 line. I don't see that on the 90 line, all right. It isn't on the line properly. Yeah, fix it. Make sure it lines up. All right, let me check. Okay, and 45 would be on the outside. In between 40 and 50, that would be halfway for 45. Fix it. For 45 degrees, fix it. It isn't fixed. Okay, good. Okay, Rafaela, before we begin the triangle, to construct triangles, let's go through the triangle inequality theorem or rule. Okay, which sides show a triangle? So you can put three numbers and it doesn't have to be a triangle. So Rafaela will explain what you do. Go ahead.
Add 3 and 6, which is 9, and 9 is greater than 8. Then add 8 and 3, which is 11, and 11 is greater than 6. And add
6 and
6 and 8, which is 14, and 14 is greater than 3.
Okay, so you add, if you add any of the two sides, it must be greater than the other side. So the easy way to do it is look for the two smaller ones, 3 and 6, and once they add to give you more than the other number, then you're okay. 3 and 6 is 9, it's greater than 8, so tick it. That's a triangle. Find the smaller numbers in number 2.
Add 4 and 5, which is 9, and 9 is less than 10.
So right away,
is not a triangle.
very good. Go to the next one.
Add 8 and 3.
What are the two smaller numbers? The smaller numbers.
Add 5 and 3, which is 11, and 11
5
is
and 3.
than...
Add 5 and 3. 5 and 3.
Oh,
Add 5 and 3.
5 and 3 is 8.
8. Is 8 greater than 8? Is 8 greater than 8?
No.
8 is what? Is it less than 8? Is 8 less than 8?
No.
What is 8 then?
It's equal.
Equal. And so it cannot be a triangle. If it's equal, it can't be. It has to be greater than. It can't be equal to. Okay, find the two smaller numbers in the next one.
Add 3 and 4, which is 7, and 7 is greater than 5. Add 5 and 3, which is 8, and 8 is greater than 4. And add 4 and 5, which is 9, and 9 is greater than 3.
Okay, so tick it. That is a rectangle. Right away, once you add the two smaller ones and it's greater, then you're okay. Go ahead, find the two smaller ones.
Add 8 and 6, which is 14, and 14 is greater than 10. Add 10 and 6, which is 16, and 16 is greater than 8. And add 8 and 10, which is 18, and 18 is greater than 6. So therefore it is a triangle.
Okay, that's the triangle inequality theorem. It shows you three numbers. The three numbers would be representing the three sides of the triangle, and you'd put the measurement, whatever, inches, centimeters, meters, whatever it is, but the numbers would represent the three sides. So 2 of them are not, and 3 of them could be triangles if you draw it. Okay, read it, Raphael.
Construct a triangle with sides of 3 centimeters, 4 centimeters, and 5 centimeters.
What you do first?
Draw the 5 centimeter.
Anyone. You can pick 3, 4, or 5 and draw one of the sides. So what you do first is draw one of the sides using the ruler. So go ahead. That's good.
Draw the 5 centimeter line, then label it point A and point B.
And put 5 centimeters under it so you don't get mixed up. Okay, what do you do next? You need to use the ruler and the protractor, the compass, ruler and compass. Put the ruler there, and you have to measure one of the other sides using the compass. Put the ruler up so we can see it. Okay, now you do 4 or 3. Which one you want to do?
4.
Hold it up so we can see it. Bring it up. Bring the ruler up. Okay, go ahead. What are you doing?
Going 4 centimeters.
Let me see it. It isn't quite on 4. Put it on the paper. You can put it on the paper. Don't put it on the ruler. Put it on the paper. Yeah, right above it on the paper. All right, then stretch it to 4. Is it on 4? I think it'd be a little bit more. No, keep the point. Keep the point there. Just move it a little bit. Just open it with your hand. Open it a little bit. It's too big now. Okay. That's your 4 centimeters. Next, put the tip at A. See what you're doing.
Put the tip at A and draw an arc.
Stop. Got it? Now next.
Put the tip at B.
No, before you put the tip at B, you did that arc. That was, which one you did? The 4. You got to remember that. That's 4. Now you're going to put it on the ruler and stretch it to 3. I have the ruler. Just stretch it. Use your 2 hands on it. 2 hands on it. I have the ruler. I have the ruler. Right. Let me check it. Put it there and let's see it. Got it? 3. Now what do you do?
Go to B.
Put the tip at B.
And cut
Cut
that
the arc with the pencil. Okay, let's see. Good. Next.
Then get your pencil and ruler and draw the lines.
Draw from where?
From where the arcs intersect to point A.
All right,
and
let's see
draw
what that
from
is.
where they
And how long would that line be?
4 centimeters.
You got to remember, that's 4 centimeters. Then do the other one, because you did the 4 first. What are you doing?
Draw from where the arcs intersect to point B.
Let's check it. And put the
3
3 centimeters on it. All right, next, ruler, and check the sides. You already did the 5, so check the one for 4 and for 3. Bring the ruler. Let's get a close-up. 4, put it on the 4. Make sure it's 4 centimeters. Good. Got it. Now put it on the 3. Stop. Good. Got you. Very good. Okay, that's your 3, 4, 5 centimeter, and that's a right angle triangle, by the way. Okay, read it, Rafaela.
Construct a triangle of sides 10 centimeter, 8 centimeters, and 6 centimeters.
Which angle? Which side are you going to draw first?
10 centimeters.
Okay, she wants to do the 10. Go ahead.
Draw the 10 centimeter line. Label it point A and point B.
Okay. Compass, ruler. Put the ruler there. Let me help you
Get
hold
the
it.
ruler and the compass.
And what are you doing next?
The 8 centimeter line.
Okay, stretch it on the ruler to 8 centimeters. Got it? Good. Okay, take it off. Next.
Then put the compass at point A and draw an arc.
Okay, let me check it. Gotcha. Next.
Then draw the 6 centimeter line.
Okay, she's doing them in order. We did 10, now you're doing 8, now you're doing the 6.
Extend the compass to 6 centimeters.
Got it? Okay.
Then go to point B and draw an arc. And
To cut the arc. Very good.
Then get the ruler and the pencil and draw the lines. And this is 10, and this is a 10 centimeter line.
The one you're drawing now, how big would that be?
8 centimeters.
Okay, so put it to
So
where the
draw
arc.
a line from where the arcs intersect to point 8.
Gotcha. Good.
And that's 8 centimeters.
Next.
Now put the ruler and draw a line from where the arcs intersect to point B. And that line is 6 centimeters long.
Let's check it. Good. Now you got to measure them. Let's see if you already did the 10. Don't do the 10 no more. Do the 8 and do the 6. Put it on the 8 and let's check it.
The ruler.
Let me check it. Good. Now let's do the 6. Very good, Rafaela. Go.
Thank you for watching this video all the way to the end. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Share this video with family and friends. God bless you, and we'll see you in the next one.
That's a wrap.